Okay, YM shot way up here. I'm looking for a possible reversal signal here. See if we get one. Right now we're working off a possible... Right now technically we have a long signal. But I don't want to chase it like this. If I get an offset entry to go short, I'm going to take it. Come right back. Okay, no short signal. Still going up here. We've got, actually we have, let's see, we actually have 3 long signals. No. We have 4 long signals. Alright, I'm going to get in somewhere. Just looking for a good signal. I mean, I could have taken it long, but I'm looking for a reversal here to happen. It's most likely going to happen. And when it reverses, I'm going to take the first short signal on it. I'll come right back. Still looking for an entry on the YM. This thing is really running here straight up. Looking for the first short signal I can get. See if I can get a reversal off of it. Or the YM is really running here. I missed it. Alright, I'm looking to jump in. Don't want to chase it here though. Looking to get a reversal here. I'm looking for a short signal. Still don't have one. I have another long signal, in fact. I'm not going to take it though. I'm not going to chase it like this. I will come back. See though, we've got quite a few stocks gapping up here. BBBY gapping up. Pump gapping up. ONCS up 25%. It's only $2 stock though. PCTG SCON, that one's up. That's just a 20-cent stock though. I need to adjust my scanners. I don't really trade those small stocks like that really. Alright, YM still going for more. Looking for a signal here. Come right back. Okay, I think it's going to roll over here and go short. Looking for a signal. As soon as I get a short signal, I'm going to take it short. $20 contracts at market, ready to go. Okay, here we go. 463, taking it short. Alright, 20 contracts short here. Got a good strong short signal. It's going to roll over right here. Wouldn't surprise me if it came all the way down and broke below this low down here. See if we can nail it. Okay, I'll come right back. Okay, still waiting on the Dow to come down here. Up 1100 in it. Going to be getting another signal here. Looking for one. And of course I want to see a short signal, obviously. Okay, I'll come back. By the way, this is just one of my systems right here for yesterday. Of course, I didn't trade yesterday, but you can see that it works. It worked really good. Short signal came all the way down. This one, I'm not sure. That one may not have worked. I'm not sure. This one here, this was a short signal, came all the way down. This one here was a long signal, went all the way up. This one was a long signal, went all the way up. These two are long signals. They go up. This one is a short signal, doesn't go down anywhere. So this one kind of really didn't work. This one here is a long signal. It worked. This one and this one are long signals, but doesn't go very far at all. And then this one is the end of the day. you wouldn't take it because it's at the very end of the day. So far today, we need to go ahead and get those lines going. I'll be right back. Okay, so far we've got two lines, and it gave a long signal right there. It shot up real good. Now we're looking to get two more lines here. Okay, YM starting to come down. I will come back. Okay, Dow starting to come down here. Up 3,000 at right now. Looking for it to completely roll over here, but we'll see. I'm looking for signals, obviously. I do have a short signal. I have two short signals right now. So I missed it going up, but hopefully I can catch it here coming down, and I think that it might keep coming. It might keep coming all the way down. We'll see. I don't want to say that for sure, but we'll see. YM bouncing back up on me a bit here. Let's see, do I have a signal yet? No, I don't. No long signals, only short signals so far. I'll come back. Turned my back on it for a second, gave a long signal, now it's going up here. Need to calculate where my out is going to be at. Okay, I know where I'm going to get out. Just want to make sure I'm ready to go. Market 20 contracts, just in case I need to get out and take a loss on this one. Might just come up and double top here and then come back down. You never know. Yeah, actually on the chart looks very good for that. Okay, let's see if we can get our lines. Yeah, we can. Okay, I'll come right back. Actually, I can do it right here. I can let you see it. Okay. All right, there's our two lines. Now, if it breaks below this line, it's a short signal. If it breaks above this line, it's a long signal. So obviously I'm short, so if it were to break this line, I'm going to take it long. If it comes down and breaks this line, I'm going to hold my position because I'm already short, and it's just going to come on down. Okay, we have a second set of two lines here. Here's the top one right there, and here's the bottom one right there. Now if it breaks below the bottom one, it's a short signal. If it breaks above the top one, it's a long signal. So we don't go by these two now, we're going by these two, because these two haven't gotten broken yet, no signal. So now we're working off of a new set. We're going to go by this signal here. You always go by the most recent one. So I want it to go down to 26,437. 26,437, and it'll be a short signal. If, however, it were to go up to 26,461, it would be a long signal. And of course, I would reverse the position at that point. I would take I would get out of my short position, and I would take a loss, and I would go long, going with the signal. And at this point, I really don't know which way it's going to go. Normally, if it was going to go down, it would have already gone down. That leads me to believe that it may go long here. You know what's really moving is UGAZ. I've got it up on another chart. It's really moving. I could be trading UGAZ right now. It's gone from 1335 or 1330 all the way down to 1270 here. That's not that big of a move, is it? It's only like 60 ticks, but yeah, it looks good on the chart anyway. Anyway, so Just waiting for it to break one way or another. If it breaks the high, the line here, I'm going to go long. If it breaks the line here, I'm going to go short. Whichever way it breaks first is the way that I will go. So I'm just waiting for that to happen right now. And I'm going to stay in my short position here until one of them happens. If it breaks the high, then I'm going to reverse the position and go long. If it breaks the low here, this bottom line, then I'm going to just stay in my short position. I'll come back. At this point, though, it kind of looks to me like it's going to go up and break the high here and go up today. Because normally it would have already gone down if it was going to go down. But I'm not going to guess at it. I'm going to wait for the signal. Okay, it almost broke. Take a look at where we are here. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, it did break, but there's a rule with this system that you have to account for, and right now it's we can't take it right here. We can't take it right here. There's a good chance it's just going to come right back down right now. Okay, we need to adjust the parameters now of the line. I'll be right back. Okay, parameters have been changed. Okay, now if it were to hit 26,479, I am going to reverse the position. Confirm that. 26,479. Okay, at market. It just hit. Taking it long. Okay, got a long position here. I've reversed the position. Took a $1,682 loss on that one, on that trade. Looks like it's just going to go up today. It's going to go up big. Well, I mean, I don't know for sure, but it could go up pretty big here. I could kind of see that coming before, because normally what would happen is that it wouldn't make such a small range here, and it would have already come down, and it didn't do that. It was just going sideways, as you can see. And then when it does that, it usually is going to press higher and go up higher some more. So that's exactly what it did. Gave us the signal. Now I'm long. Okay, in the interest of time, I will come back. Okay, it's starting to shoot up a bit here. Almost back to break even. Right there, I'm ahead now. I'm ahead 200, 300. Okay, I will come back. Okay, I'm currently up 1,300 in the position. Ready to jump out here. Looking for a signal. Up 1,600. $1,900, looking for a signal. $20 contracts at market. 2,300. All right, looking for a signal here. Ready to jump out. 2,500. Taking it right here. All right, I'm up 2,100. Looking for a signal here. I think it's going to roll over right here and come on down. Looking for a signal, preparing order. 20 contracts at market. Looking for a signal. I think it's going to roll over. Just waiting on the signal here. Don't want to guess. This is not a guessing game. I have this down to a science. Alright, looking for a signal. 26,505. I take it short. 507. Okay, it didn't hit. 26,505. I take it short. 20 contracts at market. 509. 508. Looks really good to roll over right here. Want to take it short if it gives the signal. 509. Very good chance it's going to roll over here. It's going to come on down. Just need to see the signal. Okay. 513, shooting up a little bit. Just going to be patient and wait here. All right. Looks like we're going to get a long signal here. Okay, no signal so far. No signal. It's going to give a signal though. I'm going to take it. I'm going to take this signal. 523, I go long. 518, 519, 520. 523, I'm going to take it long. 21. 23, taking it long. Okay, I've got a long signal here. 20 contracts long. Alright, can you calculate my out? My out's going to be 26,505. Preparing order. 26,505 will be my out for a loss. Confirming that. That's confirmed. 26,505. If it doesn't keep on going, I get out. I'm long. I'm going to sell my contracts. 26,505. Okay, it's coming down on me. And if it does, let me see here, that will be an offset entry to go short. I'll reverse the position if it does. $26,505. Going to take it short. Sell the contracts twice. Okay, just patiently waiting here now. See what it does. 26,505. 511. 510. Okay, you're going to keep on going? Alright, looks like it's going to keep on going. Okay, so we're good. No offset entry to go short here. Should just continue to go up now. But we still may get one though, so I still have to be on guard here. But for now, gonna let it go. See if it wants to run. Need to be on guard here because you see how much we're already up. At any time it could roll over and start coming down hard. So you need to be on guard here. My out is going to be 26,505 right now until I get a new signal. Okay, moving up good. Up 3,100, 3,300. Orders ready to get out. 20 contracts at market. No signal yet. All I have is long signal right now. This is where you need to practice being patient and calm and not try to stress out about the trade too much. At the same time, you need to pay very close attention to it. This is where a lot of newbie traders will close their eyes and hope, right? Don't do that. Very, very bad idea. Always calculate using my system exactly where you are and what you need to be doing at all times. Right now, 26,505 is my parachute to get out. Until it hits that price or until I get a new signal, I'm holding it long. All right, YM, let's run. Let's do it. Just going to let you watch this here so you can see how I handle it. Looking good. Up 3,400. Ready to get out at any time at market to lock in these profits here. At the same time, I am trying to let it go. I have no signal yet. No short signal, no long signal except for the initial one that I got. Okay, it's running here, it's running. Up 3,700. Come on, baby, run. Okay, preparing to get out of the trade, lock in these profits. Trying to wait for a signal here. Come on. Okay, looking for a signal. Okay, gotta get out here. Okay, I'm out. 3,000. Up 3,000 here. Let's see if it gets me. Looks like it might roll over right here. Oh, there it goes. Went up even higher on me. Okay, still looking for a signal here. I should have held it. Look at it go. Oh. And I just got a long signal too. Could be an offset entry though. Boy, this thing really wants to run today, huh? Wow. It's a runner. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit of a break here. I'm going to calculate 2 more lines, and I am ready to take the next one. There is a relatively decent chance that it's going to roll over on the next one and come on down. And if it does, it should be a good trade down. If it's another continuation of another long signal, well, it'll really be a runner of a day for sure. So, but I'm looking for a rollover here to come on back down. That's why I don't really want to go long on it anymore right now. The chances are high. Now, in the charting service that I'm going to be offering, you're going to see it do this over and over and over again, that I've seen hundreds and hundreds of times, that I've charted out hundreds and hundreds of times. So you're going to see it for yourself how it works. You study these charts and you'll understand, you'll learn. Very high mathematical chance it's going to roll over and come on back down here. So while everybody else is getting on the bandwagon going long, it's going to change direction, come back down. Good chance of that. If it doesn't, then it's most likely going to go up a lot more today. Okay, at least another 100 ticks or more. So we'll see. Anyway, let me calculate the lines. I will come back. Okay, we've got our 2 new lines here. If it breaks this line here up top, it's a long signal. Going to take it long. If it breaks this line here, right here, it's a short signal. Going to take it short. I think it's most likely going to come down, break below this line, give a short signal, and I'm going to take it short. At that point, it's likely to come down a bit. I don't know how far it would come down today. I really don't know, but I would look for a good size trade. You know, not too big, but good size trade. If it does break the high here, it's going to continue to go higher, and I would also look for a pretty good size trade, about the size of this one here from this line up to here to the top, about that far, roughly speaking. So a good size trade going up again. Vice versa, if it breaks below this line, I'll be looking for the same size trade to come down about the same as it went up, roughly speaking. So, nothing too big, but big enough to make a nice trade on it again today. And at that point, I'm probably just going to call it a day. So just one more trade on this thing today. Make it easy. I wish I hadn't have missed this one, this first one here. Could have hit that one for a really good trade. I'd be way up today if I hadn't have missed that one. Anyway, I'll pay more attention to the YM right now because it is more in play than anything else really is. Stocks are not really that much in play right now. The YM is more in play, I would say. It's more money to be made on the YM right now. There'll come a time when that won't be true, and the YM will kind of be dead a little bit, and you'll be looking for individual stocks, and they'll be hot. You know, like get a big gapper up, get it to come down, get a big gap down, get it to come down even more, get it to come back up, that type of thing. And so, but anyway, we'll go with what's hot, and the YM is hot. ES is also hot too. Like for instance, take a look at the chart on the YM. Now we'll go take a look at the ES. Here's the ES. Looks basically the same thing, doesn't it? It's almost basically the same exact thing, same exact chart just about. So, you know, it doesn't really matter if you play the ES or you play the YM using my system. It really does not matter at all. You can play whichever one you want. I play the YM, but not for any particular reason. I mean, ES is the same thing. A lot of people trade the ES because it's cheaper to trade the ES. And you know, there's nothing wrong with that at all. As you can see, look at the chart. It's the same thing. Literally the same thing. So it doesn't really matter which one you decide to trade. Okay, back to the YM here. As you can see, basically the same chart. Just so that on this one I have the lines calculated. On the ES I do not. But I could do it and you'd see it's the same thing. Alright, this thing might actually go long here. Let's take a look what the entry would be. Okay, give it some more time here for it to break either the low or the high here. I'll come back. Okay, YM getting close to breaking the line here at 26,505. I take it short, confirming that 26,505. That is correct. 26,505. I'm going to take the YM short. Preparing order. Market order 20 contracts. Okay. I'm ready to go if it breaks. And anyway, I will come back. Okay, we have a new set of lines here. Here's the low, here's the high. If it breaks the low, it's a short signal. Breaks the high, it's a long signal. So let's assume that it's going to break the low. We need to go short at 26,511. If the price hits 26,511, we're going to take it short. If, however, it were to go long, it would need to hit the price of 26,530. No, I'm sorry. 26,000. Wait, is that right? No. 26,543. 26,543, we're going to take it long. Otherwise, if it hits 26,511, we're going to take it short. Order already ready to go, 20 contracts at market. I think it's going to break the low. 518 hits 511, we go short. 519. Okay, bouncing around a little bit here. Okay, I'm going to come back in the interest of time, and as soon as it gets ready to break, I'll come back. Okay, here we go. 514. 14. Hits 11, we go short. 20 contracts at market. What did it just hit? It just hit 13. Looking for 26,511 here. Going to take it short. There's 13. It's going to break 12, but there it goes. Going to chase it a little bit right there. All right, 20 contracts short here. Let's see what kind of dropout we can get now. Come on, YM. Let's drop out, baby. I would like to get a nice move down, just like we got a nice move up there. So figure about, let's see, 475 up to like about, let's just call it 550. So about 75 ticks down. So we're looking at, let's call it 26,510. We're looking at 2535 roughly. I'm sorry. 26. Let's just call it 26,450. 26,450 looking up at the exit. I'll be happy to take 26,475 actually. Would be just fine with me. I'll come back. Okay, YM getting close to target here. Looking for 475 to 450. Come right back. Okay, it looks like I'm going to have to get out of this trade. At market, I'm going to buy back my shares. Looking for a signal. Okay, I've got a long signal here. I'm taking it. Taking it right there. Okay, 4,700. Yeah, it looks like it wants to bounce up here. But, let's see here. There is our second set of lines right there. So if it comes back down and breaks below, I can take it short again. If it hits 26,480, I can go short again. Preparing order, 20 contracts at market. 26,480 is a short signal. Confirming that. Yes, 26,480 is a short signal. 26,84, 83, 82. 81, 80, taking it. Come on. Okay. Got the contracts there. 20 contracts. All right, preparing order to get back out. 20 contracts at market. Okay, it already went down to my target, 475. Looking for a target now of 450. $450, I will get out. Let me take a look at something here. Gotta be careful on this thing. Alright, come on, YM. Okay, I will come right back. Okay, I'm going to play this thing tight. I don't like what it's doing here. I'm going to get out if it hits 493. 493, I'm going to jump back out. There's a reason for that. It's because I have an offset entry to go short there. If it goes past the offset, I'm going to get back out. I'm not going to take a risk. 20 contracts at market, ready to get out of the trade. If it hits 493. Otherwise, I'm going to write it down here. New target is 26,450. I'm not looking to go for a tremendous amount here. Just pushing it a little bit more to make a little bit more off of it. That's all. As you can see, my system working very good, ladies and gentlemen. Don't let anybody fool you that it doesn't. Every trader in the world should be using this system. The only reason why they aren't is because they don't know about it. But if they did, they would be using it. It's just that there's so many people out there scamming people, you know, that nobody knows who to trust anymore. And I understand that. Okay, looking at 20 contracts at market. Looking to buy back my contracts here, since I'm short. Looking at 26,450 for the exit. Made it down to 471, so it's got a little ways to go here. But it's moving, so it could shoot down there pretty quick. And if it does, I'm not going to sit there with like a deer in headlights. I'm going to jump out. Take the profit and run. Currently at 5,300. Okay, 470. Looking for 450 for the exit. Let's see here. I got a short. Yeah, I got a short signal. Got another one. See, I've got multiple different systems here that I use, and I can. Besides these lines, there's two other systems I have, so I can basically tell which way this thing's going to go at all times using all three of my systems, even superior to these lines. But as you can see, these lines are also very good. I use these as an indicator. They're very, very good for that. Like an overall indicator. But if I want a precision trade, I can do so. Okay, 65, 15 ticks down, I'm out. 63. Okay, I will come back. By the way, if I get a long signal using one of my systems, I will get out. I'm just going to lock in the ticks here. Like for instance, it's a possibility I could get an offset entry to go long, or just a straight entry to go long, you know, whatever. If I get a long entry, I will get out. But if it just goes up without giving me a long entry, I won't get out. Actually, what am I in at? 26,478. Actually, I guess I will get out. Might as well just lock it in today. There's no reason to play it risky here. I'll just get out break even if it comes back up. Okay, in the interest of time, I'm going to pause the video. Okay, maybe not. Alright, I'll get out here. Okay, 47.90, almost at 4,800 there. I'm going to jump out right here. It's a little bit risky here. Let's see if I could get another entry here. It comes back down again. If I can get another entry, let me see, where would I want to enter at? Don't really have anything actually. Okay, I've got another short entry here. 20 contracts short. This thing really acting like it wants to come down. Come on down. Count the short entries. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 short entries. Boy, that's a lot. You don't usually see that many. Not in a row like that. I don't know what that means. It either means one of two things. Either A, it's going to turn back around and go the other way, or B, it's going to really drop out here. Okay, preparing order to get back out. Okay, I got 5,500 into it right now. $6,000. Whoa, whoa, whoa. 8,000. I'm taking it here right now. All right. That's good enough for me. 8,400. 8,400 on the YM today. Not bad, huh? That's how you make money from the markets, ladies and gentlemen, and that is how you use my system. You think you can do that? Figuring out these lines is romper room simple. I could teach a 10-year-old how to figure out these lines. So don't think that you can't do it, because you can. I could teach a 10-year-old how to calculate these lines and put them on the chart, no problem. Every single one of these trades have been successful today. These two, these two, these two, these two, these two, and these two, all successful. Anybody in the world can follow this system. Now I'm up $8,408 today. You think you could follow the system and do that for yourself? I think you can. I think anybody can. So, if it looks easy, it's because it relatively is easy. Not to say that you shouldn't practice it, though, because you certainly should. Practice it and get as good at it as you possibly can. Let's put it that way. Okay, I'm all done for today. I am going to get going. I will be back tomorrow for some more trading. Hope you traders are doing well in your trading, especially if you're using my system. And I will see you tomorrow for some more trading. Happy trading out there.